Hey, if you've ever wondered how people are making serious money on Pinterest without even owning a blog or website, today's video is going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you exactly how to make money on Pinterest with affiliate links using a powerful tool called Super Affiliate AI. And trust me, once you see how this works, you'll realize you don't need to be a tech wizard or spend hours creating content to start earning commissions. Pinterest isn't just for recipes, DIY hacks, or travel inspiration. It's one of the biggest hidden gold mines for affiliate marketers. Millions of people go on Pinterest every day searching for products, ideas, and solutions. That means they're already in a buying mindset. The problem? Most beginners struggle because they think they need a blog, a website, or endless hours to design pins and write reviews. That's where most people give up. But what if you could skip all the hard parts? What if you had a system that finds trending products, creates faceless review videos, designs thumbnails, optimizes SEO, and even publishes your content across Pinterest and other platforms automatically? That's exactly what Super Affiliate AI does. Super Affiliate AI is like having a full content team working for you 24/7. It's built to create faceless affiliate review channels that run on autopilot. Instead of spending hours writing scripts, editing videos, or figuring out how to upload, this system does it all. Here's how it works in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Discover products. The AI scans marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus to find offers already generating demand. You can even paste a sales page URL, and it will break down the product's features, pricing, and audience for you. Step 2. Create review content. It automatically generates dual voice scripts, voiceovers, captions, thumbnails, and complete videos. No filming, no editing, no stress. Step 3. Publish everywhere. With one click, your videos go live on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and yes, even Pinterest. Auto mode can keep publishing daily while you focus on scaling. Step 4. Earn commissions. Each video includes your affiliate links, so as viewers discover your content, they click, buy, and you collect commissions. Now, let's talk specifically about Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine. People type in keywords like best fitness tools, home office gadgets, or makeup reviews. Super Affiliate AI creates review videos and pins that match those searches perfectly. That means your content shows up right when buyers are looking for solutions. Imagine posting a pin that links directly to your faceless review video. The viewer watches, clicks your affiliate link, and boom, you've just made money. And because Pinterest pins last for months, sometimes years, your content keeps working for you long after you've posted it. Combine that with daily automation, and you've got a compounding traffic machine. This isn't just theory. Real people are already cashing in. A truck driver made $890 last month without ever being on camera. A college student set up auto mode, went to class, and came back to 47 videos published. A stay-at-home mom earned $1,240 in 6 weeks promoting ClickBank products. None of them filmed a video. None of them wrote a script. They simply let Super Affiliate AI handle the heavy lifting. Here's why this works so well. You don't need a website or blog. You don't need design or editing skills. You don't need to spend hours figuring out Pinterest SEO. You don't even need to be on camera. Super Affiliate AI gives you operational leverage. You can run multiple niches, test different products, and scale faster than traditional affiliate marketers. And because it publishes across multiple platforms, you're not just relying on Pinterest, you're building a complete traffic pipeline. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, wondering how to finally make money with affiliate links on Pinterest, this is your chance. Super Affiliate AI makes it simple, automated, and scalable. Start small. Let the AI publish your first few review videos and watch how your pins start driving clicks and commissions. Then, as your library grows, so does your income. Remember, every video and pin is an asset that can earn for months or even years. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more faceless affiliate marketing tips, and drop a comment below if you're ready to try Super Affiliate AI for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.